Hi, sweet one, and welcome to this sacred meditation, a place, a time to come back to you. This meditation is a soft yet activating ritual to align you with your highest self, your clearest intentions, and your deepest truth. Allow yourself to arrive fully. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down. Close your eyes gently. Inhale through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your belly expand with breath. You are safe. You are home. You are returning to yourself. Let's begin by anchoring into this moment. Breathe in for 4 counts. Hold for 4. And exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat this with me. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let this rhythm guide you. Feel your spine lengthen, your body settle. With every breath, you root deeper into the earth. Imagine your breath moving through your feet, grounding you. Each inhale brings calm. Each exhale releases tension. Stay in this breath. Let it cleanse you and clear you. Let go of yesterday. Let go of expectation. Let go of the rush. You are here now, and this moment is enough. Now gently begin to imagine yourself waking up, but not in your current life. You are waking up in your dream life, in the body of your highest self. Feel the sheets, the softness, the warmth, the peace. What does this version of you feel like as they wake? What are the first thoughts that rise, the first sensations? Visualize yourself rising from bed, moving through your morning with intention and ease. What are you wearing? What are you sipping? Where do you live? What does your space look and feel like? Walk through the house of your dreams. Touch the walls. Breathe the air. Feel your body radiating health, confidence, and wholeness. This is not a fantasy. This is a memory of who you truly are. Let your highest self guide you through this version of your morning, one step at a time. Let it activate something within you. Let it show you what is possible. And as you do, let these affirmations wash over you. I am devoted to me. I honor my own needs. I move from love. I trust my body, my heart, my truth. I lead with presence and grace. I am safe to take up space. I am the center of my own love story. I receive my own devotion fully. I give myself to the life I crave. I choose softness, strength, and sovereignty. Now gently bring your awareness to the presence of your higher self, near you. It is you, evolved, expanded, clear and kind. Visualize this version of you sitting beside you or standing in front of you. What do they look like? What energy do they carry? And take a moment to ask, what do I need to hear today? What do I need to remember? What is my next step? Let the answers arrive softly through images, words, a feeling in your body. Even if it's quiet, trust it. Your highest self is always speaking, and you are never alone. Receive this presence. Let it bless your day. Breathe in the feeling of this dream life, of knowing it is already here now. Feel the exuberance, the excitement, the pleasure, the love. Breathe it in and make it so. And hold this knowing throughout your day. Slowly return your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Feel your body. Feel the ground beneath you. Bring your hand to your heart and ask yourself, what is my intention for today? Let it rise naturally. Let it be simple, true, and clear. Whisper it into your hands. Breathe it into your cells. And now, as you prepare to step into your day, remember, you are not behind. You are not broken. You are blooming one breath at a time. Take this softness with you. Let it guide your actions. Let it be enough. You have returned to yourself, and that is everything. Namaste.